we are already on the board. Gigs just banged a 38.5 inch ski about 10 minutes in, maybe, yeah, not even. So this is our first official day on the Thames. We had a 3-fish weekend last weekend with a couple of us guys, but now we have 2 boats, 8 anglers. We're ready to go. Nathan's gonna bang one here.
Yeah, I'm next.
We'll see you soon. Someone else is on? Oh, okay. Yeah, I just saw it.
Oh,
Sven, let's go. Come on, baby. Sven's on. What are we looking like? Svenny? Oh, yeah. There it is. Boom!
Cheerio.
Sven, you just a couple year hiatus. There we go. Nice fish. On the old restless rider. Alright, quick release there. It was kind of hooked in the gills and stuff, but she took off right away. It is 8:03. We started fishing at what? 7:30-ish. 2 fish in the boat. So there is probably 30 boats out here casting. We just saw 3 fish get caught in the last probably 2-3 minutes. So we might be in a window here. Let's go.
You see that one?
It's here.
Pull out to the side.
Right there.
It's a big fish. There we go.
There you go, Bernie.
42.
40, yeah, low 40s.
They're snapping. Get back in, boys.
Yo, yellow paddle tail, boys.
Attaboy, Bernie. Yeah, that's going to be a new leader.
42.5.
That was pretty
Nice fish, buddy. Thanks, buddy. I think I'd rather stay here.
I thought for sure you guys were going to be like, no, f that.
Keep it pinned. Keep it pinned, buddy. Come on, Gigs, this is all you. Let's go.
Oh, it's double raft. That's good. Oh.
Super uneventful.
Yeah, what is that? Hey, can we get a cheer or something?
Let's go.
Yippee. It's just all pictures outside. Oh, yeah. Not a single picture inside the house.
I'd get a house on the creek.
I'd want to be more secluded. On the creek?
Oh, she's on. Straight ahead.
Gray jacket?
Yeah. I thought she was too, but I think she realized it was a fish. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Keep it pinned.
Oh, she's pumped. Oh, yeah. What is she doing?
She's too not strong enough. Like me.
Oh. Oh, fish. I think so. Big fan. It's coming up. Oh, no. Oh, there we go. Woo! Let's go. There we are. Nice colors.
On board right here.
You're back. We got 30, 38.
38.
Sweet.
Gone. See ya.
There we go, boys.
Aw, Nate.
Grinding in the rain.
Give it a kiss. There we go, buddy. You don't need a picture with that. We'll get a still. We'll get a still from here.
That's hilarious. Oh, camera dies.
I didn't even hear the fish on part. All of a sudden.
Alright, so that caps off the video. Thanks to the fellas back home, BLA boys, for throwing on some GoPros and getting some footage for the video. It's just me closing this one off, just a jealous angler over in New Zealand. I know I can't be complaining too much, but to miss musky season definitely is a tough one for me. It's October and November at Lake St. Clair is probably some of my favorite times of the year, so missing it, but I'm excited for 2021 season, and I'll definitely be out somewhere for opener, and hopefully I can bag a quick one in 2021. But yeah, a couple things I want to talk to you about and just touch base with about the Thames River where the fellas were fishing on Lake St. Clair. Just a couple things you can do to up your odds on bagging a fish of a lifetime by chance, and definitely catch more fish in general. So the first thing I want to talk about is baits. I would recommend be throwing anything bright, super bright baits that are like swim bait types. So I'm talking about Poseidon's, Chaos Tackle, Shadzilla from Waterwolf, and then a new favorite of ours is the Restless Rider. And yeah, the Restless Rider's absolutely killing it for us in the Thames River, and even at the Detroit as well. Has a little appendage on top that just seems to make those fish go crazy. But yeah, those baits will absolutely be the staples on Lake St. Clair, and definitely will help you catch some fish. The second thing I gotta talk about is just watching around you. I know watching another boat land a giant fish, or even just a fish in general, can be discouraging, but when that one boat goes off, get ready to go, because those muskies are fired up, you're in a bite window, and it's about to go down. So yeah, your percentage of that cast working out for you and hooking a beast and hooking a muskie is definitely gonna go up. So yeah, just be watching for boats. Get those bright colored baits on if you're in the Thames River, and just keep casting. I'm talking persistence. 12, 13-hour days all for that one fish, and you just fingers crossed that one fish is that giant you're hoping for. But yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're really hoping to get to that 400, even 500 mark by the end of the year. And yeah, plenty of content coming from us, and hopefully a lot from me over in New Zealand shortly. Cheers.